So the second step that we do in this routine is what I call it's the pimp walks into fall off the log variations. So to begin with, we're going to start again with our right foot. And it's going to start as if we're doing a fall off the log, a rock, step, cross. So one more time, I think what's important is from that kick, I step behind with the right as if I would do a fall off the log. And then from here, I actually redirect to step in front. So this is hey, huh? Here we go. Kick, rock, step, cross, step, step. And you take 3 steps total, which is right foot, left foot, right foot. Yeah, just the footwork one more time before we talk about the styling with the upper body. Hey, ho, here we go. Kick, rock, step, cross, step, step. Good. Did you get it? Did that work? Let's do that one more time just to make sure. Hey, ho, here we go. Kick, rock, step, cross, step, step. And actually each step that I do is a cross. If you want to see this up front, cross, cross, cross. So as I progress forward, I'm crossing my feet in front, in front, in front. And part of that practice, maybe what's also good is to get the hand, which in this case is the right hand, coordinated in opposition. So I'm going to face you first so that you can see how this all works, and then maybe I'll face the other direction. But for those of you at home, this may be the left side of your screen, but this is my right foot. And as I take the right foot in front, can you see that the right arm is opening up? And then as I cross with the left, I bring the right arm across my body. And then last time, with the cross of the right foot, opening up with the right hand. So facing this way, as I step forward across with the right foot, the arm opens, crosses, crosses. So that's how we get our feet moving in opposition of the upper body. Now I'm choosing to put this left hand, the back of the wrist, maybe where I wear a watch, onto my hip, kind of kidney area. So from here, this is the complete shape of the upper body as I do these pimp walks. The other thing that I'm going to do is have a bit of a kind of a contraction and expansion through the chest as I do this. So this idea of opening the chest or pushing the sternum forward and then bringing it in. And see how the shoulders come forward? Open, close, open, close. So that little isolated movement, boom, boom, also works in this idea here. So if I add that into the upper body, it's boom, as I step across with the right foot, right hand's here, I push the chest open, 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 open. So this is the polyrhythm, boom, bang, boom, boom. And as I step, I push the sternum forward, boom, ba, boom, boom. Truthfully, I just want to have a bounce in the body. I'm going to show you on a profile. Boom, boom, boom. So that this whole thing, and it moves through the neck as well. So you have this undulation happening as you progress. Boom, ba, boom, boom. And that may take some time and practice to coordinate all those pieces together. But of course, you can rewind this and continue to practice those individual ideas. So coming back to the step itself, we want to start again with what looks like a fall off the log on the right foot. Hey, ho, here we go. Kick, rock, step, cross, cross, cross. And by the end, we should be on that right foot. From here, we're going to do a simple fall off the log, starting with the left. Fall off the log, fall off the log. We already have plenty of videos as well on the website about how to do fall off the log. So if you're not comfortable or clear with that, I would recommend going here or here. Go there to find those videos. Yes? So putting this together, we start with the pimp walk and then a basic fall off the log. Here we go. Hey, ho, here we go. Hey, 1, 2, hoo. fall off the log. Fall off the log. And again, by the end of that, you should be on your right foot. One more time. Hey, ho, here we go. Boom, ba, fall off the log, fall off the log. Now, if that's gone well, then you should be on your right foot, and we're going to do that same pattern, but now we're going to start with the left foot. So from this moment, we're going to fall off the log, rock, step, cross with the left, cross with the right, cross with the left. Let's do that one more time. Put your weight onto your right foot. Hey, ho, here we go. A fall off the log, cross, cross. Now, do that one more time. I said fall off the log, but I just want to be clear that we're going straight into the pimp walk. Hey, ho, here we go. Kick, rock, step, cross, cross, cross. Now, by the end of this, you should be on the left foot, and guess what comes next? A full fall off the log, starting with the right. A fall off the log, fall off the log. Yeah? So, one more time, just the left foot all the way through, which means that we want our weight on our right foot. Hey, ho, here we go. Kick, rock, step, cross, cross, fall off the log. Ba-doo, ba. Did you make it? If not, go ahead and rewind. If you did, great job. And now comes the final test, putting both sides together without stopping. So here we go, starting with the right foot. Hey, ho, here we go. A kick, rock, step, cross, cross, fall off the log. The left side goes. Kick, rock, step, cross, cross, fall off the log. And of course, let's do this one more time, but with numbers, because I know that there are still some people who really love the numbers and how that relates to music passing by. So, all together, without stopping, but this time I'll count it out for us. Starting with the right foot on count 8. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And by the end, you should be on your left foot because we're going to get into that third step, which is a break step. And that, or not a break step, my apologies. That third step is actually just similar to the shim sham. It's a half break step, which will be onto the right foot on count 8. So practice that, get it comfortable in your body, and then you're ready to move on to that third half break step. Boo!